Hi guys, it's Ayame. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm gonna eat this steak for lunch. It's Wagyu. Today, I'm going to make Japanese style steak sauce. So, let's get started.
First, grate onion. Next, I'm gonna grate garlic. It's growing. Ameが痛い.
Ta-da! A little bit upper? Yes.
I'm gonna warm it up under low heat. And then 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. And then 1 teaspoon of mirin, half teaspoon of vinegar. I will add a little bit more soy sauce. 1 more teaspoon. Also 1 teaspoon of sugar. Actually, I will add more soy sauce. And then a little bit of more vinegar. Tastes good. Ta-da!
Done! So, I'm gonna eat my steak with this sauce. Itadakimasu.
Wanna try? 超美味しいね。これやばい。Ready?
はい。
美味しい？本当？You like it?
Thank you for watching. How was my video? It was actually really good, but it had really strong flavor of garlic, so maybe a half clove would be better. Anyway, thank you for watching. I hope you like this video, and if you like it, please give me thumbs up. Also, please subscribe my channel. So, see you in the next video. Bye bye.